This property includes 2.33 acres. Property recently subdivided and PIN hash will be assigned once recorded. This stunning 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom 2-story home, constructed in 2021, boasts impressive 15-foot ceilings and sits on 2.33 unrestricted acres. With all appliances included and natural gas available on the property, hooked up to the stove, dryer, and boiler, this residence offers a perfect blend of modern living and ample outdoor space, ensuring you'll never face heating bills. Plus, there's an exciting opportunity to purchase additional land, making it a must-see for anyone looking to invest in their dream home and expand their property. Don't miss out on this exceptional opportunity. For more information, review the details below.